A textile flowchart visually represents the processes involved in the textile production industry. Here is a production flowchart of fiber production, covering the key stages. Fiber source: natural fibers, plant-based cotton, jute, linen, hemp. Animal-based wool, silk, alpaca, synthetic fibers. Petrochemical-based polyester, nylon, acrylic. Fiber harvesting production: natural fibers, plant fibers, harvesting, ginning cotton, retting linen, jute. Animal fibers, shearing wool, reeling silk. Synthetic fibers, polymerization polyester, nylon. Spinning and extrusion production of filaments. Fiber preparation: cleaning and sorting, opening and blending. Fiber conversion: natural fibers, carding and combing. Synthetic fibers, cutting into staple fibers or kept as filament.